In this video, I will show you how to sign out of Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is open up Monopoly Go on your device. Now, once you open up Monopoly Go, what it's going to do is load through and it's going to automatically log you into your account. So as you can see, when this is finished loading through, it's actually going to log me in automatically. You can see I'm here in my account. Now to go ahead and sign out, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto these three lines to open up the menu. As you can see, there's no option here to log out. So what you actually need to do is come down and press onto the settings option. And then from here, what you're going to want to do, if you look at the very bottom, there's a green button which says connect account. So what you actually need to do is press onto this. And it's going to show you all the different ways that you can log out. So it's actually going to disconnect you. Now this depends on how you actually connected your account, whether that was through Facebook or Google Play, for example. But what you would do is press onto the appropriate option that says disconnect. So in this example, I'm going to go onto Facebook and press disconnect. And it's going to come up with a warning message basically saying, are you sure you want to disconnect? All you would do from here is go ahead and press the green disconnect button to confirm. And that, at the moment, is how you can go ahead and sign out of Monopoly Go. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.